You must have heard people talking about some confusing words like blockchain, decentralization, cryptocurrency, cryptography, and many more. Well, these words are not so random anymore. They are the pillars of the future of finance. For instance, blockchain has completely revolutionized the financial sector by introducing decentralization as well as security and transparency. But when did it all begin? What was the starting point of blockchain? Who invented it? The answer to all these questions is Bitcoin. Bitcoin marked the beginning of the decentralized financial system when a pseudonymous user named Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin in 2009. But Bitcoin is not a blockchain. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency based on a blockchain. Confused? Let's decode all these terms one by one. Hey guys, this side Web of Jan and you are watching VJ Easy Learn. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a decentralized, transparent, and peer-to-peer based digital currency secured by cryptography that operates on blockchain technology. In simple terms, it is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used. Precisely, cryptocurrency is a digital money that eliminates an intermediary or a central authority. In fact, the main idea behind the concept of cryptocurrencies and blockchain was to introduce decentralization in the financial ecosystem. Decentralization means that no central authority like the government or central banks regulate the operation of cryptocurrencies. This make all cryptocurrencies censorship resistant and immune to any kind of third party manipulation. It all began in 2009 when a pseudonymous person or a group named Satoshi Nakamoto came up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever, and this is when the concept of blockchain and cryptocurrencies came to life. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that stores and records transactions in a sequence of blocks that are chained together. Each block is connected to its previous block in a blockchain, as each block contains the hash value of the current transaction, and the transaction is stored in the last block. Every new transaction after verification gets added to a new block, which is then linked to all other blocks making up the chain. The whole process makes it almost impossible to change or alter any information that has already been recorded. Consider blockchain to be similar to the game of Jenga. Every block is a Jenga piece that can moved or played. But once you tamper with a piece from the bottom, it makes it harder for the following blocks to sustain. In this way, blockchain technology is built in such a manner that as more records are added to it, gets increasingly difficult to make changes as there would be a lot of records that would need to be altered. If anyone tries to change the information in one block, they will have to update all the blocks after it because hash value changes as soon as the data is added. So each block in a blockchain is permanent and all the users can see every transaction in a public blockchain along with its timestamp. This makes blockchain technology secure and incorruptible over time. Now question come, how does cryptocurrency work? The concept of cryptocurrencies work on three pillars: blockchain, cryptography and crypto mining. Let's take a look at these items one by one. So, cryptography, currency. Cryptocurrency. It is a combination of two words, crypto and currency. The word crypto comes from cryptography, which is the main concept behind the working of cryptocurrencies. Cryptography is a method of securing information so that only the intended recipient can understand it. Cryptocurrencies use two keys called public key and private key. Public key. Public key can be considered your bank account number, which can be shared with others to enable crypto transfer to your wallet. The private key can be thought of as a card pin. that should not be shared with anyone. The private key is used to secure and access one crypto holding and sign transactions. What happens behind the scenes is that an algorithm is used to encrypt the user information. This algorithm takes the public key as an input to encrypt the information and requires the private key to decrypt the same information. That is why the private key must be kept secret so that only the intended user can decode the required information. Now let's talk about crypto mining. One of the most basic questions that comes to mind while understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain is who enter new block to blockchain, or why cannot one reverse or change a blockchain transaction? The answer to this question is crypto mining. Crypto mining. Crypto mining is a phenomenon that helps in maintaining the blockchain by attaching more transactions in the blockchain and rewarding the miner with cryptocurrencies for the same. This process encourages miners to maintain the blockchain by mining more and more cryptocurrencies and allowing new coins into circulation. Crypto mining. Crypto mining is a two-fold process. First, the miner verifies the transaction in question to ensure that everything is in order, and the sender has authorized the transaction using their private key. The second step involves creating a new blocks in the blockchain and attaching it with the previous block. There are various ways of mining cryptocurrencies. Two of the most popular ways are proof of work and proof of stake. Proof of work. In the proof of work system, the miner needs to solve a computational mathematical equation or a cryptographic puzzle. Whoever first solves the puzzle gets the reward for mining the cryptocurrency. What happens behind the scenes is that miners try to come with a hash less than or equal to target hash. This is the hash that links the current block with the previous block in the blockchain. Now, proof of stake. Instead of getting the miners to compete with each other, proof of stake works on consensus-based algorithm in which a node is randomly choose to validate the data in the next block. But the process is not completely random. First, a node is required to deposit a certain amount or stake into the network. The higher the amount deposited, the higher are the chances of a node becoming a validator. Then the validator verifies all the transactions and then adds them to blockchain as a reward. The validator receives the fees associated with each transaction. Although proof of work and proof of stake are most popular ways of crypto mining, there are tons of other ways like proof of coverage, proof of space. As new blockchain come into existence, the developers try to find different ways to mine cryptocurrency and maintain the blockchain to improve energy and time consumption. Now we will talk about types of cryptocurrency. There are various types of cryptocurrency based on their use cases, including number one is payment cryptocurrencies. These cryptocurrencies are designed to make payment solution faster and more secure by replacing the traditional banking system. For example, currencies like Bitcoin or DAI are designed to serve as an alternative to traditional cash. They are generally packed to traditional assets to provide price exposure and stability to establish values while giving the benefits of transparency and decentralization. Next is infrastructure cryptocurrencies. These cryptocurrencies are used to maintain and use application for a particular blockchain. For example, either is an infrastructure cryptocurrencies as users are required to purchase it to use any decentralized application running on the Ethereum blockchain. Third is financial cryptocurrencies. The main application of financial cryptocurrency is to manage or exchange other crypto assets. For example, they may be used to help users trade on exchange, crowdfund money, lend or market cryptocurrency, and speculate the outcome of certain events. Fourth, service cryptocurrencies. These cryptocurrencies are used to manage and record data from different industries and link them to blockchain. For example, a cryptocurrency called DentaCoin provides various services related to healthcare industry. Other example of service cryptocurrencies include Chainlink, Filecoin, Orchid, etc. Fifth, media and entertainment cryptocurrencies. Media and entertainment cryptocurrencies are used to reward user for content or games and are even utilized in various decentralized applications that utilize virtual reality to operate. Now main question come how to invest in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies become increasingly popular as many people have earned huge profit through buying and selling cryptocurrency using speculation. There are two ways through which a user can invest in cryptocurrencies. They can either use a crypto brokerage firm or a crypto exchange. Now we will talk about cryptocurrency brokerage. A crypto brokerage is a firm or an individual that acts as a mediator and facilitates the buying and selling for the user. This is a good option for someone who is just a beginner in crypto trading and wants to explore and study the market. To trade using a crypto brokerage, the user must sign up to make an account with any brokerage offers her choice like Coinbase, Gemini and eToro. After that, a user can fund the account and then choose a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum to begin investing. Second is cryptocurrency exchange. A crypto exchange allows a user to directly trade with other buyers and sellers by eliminating the intermediary. Using a crypto exchange, the user can trade cryptocurrencies for other decentralized and digital currencies or fiat currencies based on current market prices. Crypto exchange is a perfect platform for advanced users and traders who trade in crypto through speculations. Some example of popular crypto exchange include Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase, etc. Now main question come, why invest in crypto? There are quite a few advantages that make it attractive for investors as well as for traders, while trading and investing are not the only two applications of cryptocurrency. There are also so far most popular ones. They are so far the most popular ones. Many people use speculation as a technique to invest money in crypto and make huge profits. Some of the major benefits of investing in cryptocurrencies are number one, low transaction cost. Cryptocurrencies work on a decentralized blockchain system. This means that there are no intermediaries such as bank or brokers, and hence there are no additional transaction costs except for the blockchain network fees. Furthermore, there are no requirements for any kind of paperwork or identity proof. The whole process is smooth, easy, and extremely fast. Second, globalized access. Unlike with banks or centralized authorities, there are no restrictions as to who can use cryptocurrencies. Anyone with an internet connection can funds to transfer, can invest and trade in crypto. However, there are some countries that ban the use of crypto for their citizens, but blockchain or crypto as a system does not restrict access to any user whatsoever. Third is immutable transaction. Unlike in traditional financial system, the transaction made through crypto coins are immutable. This means that once a transaction is added to blockchain, it cannot be reversed or tampered with at all. Thus, the record of all transactions are accessible by all the members forever. Also, there is no way for anyone to reverse a crypto transaction once it is made. Next is secure network. Cryptocurrency is based on an extremely secure technique called cryptography. While traditional currencies could be stolen or destroyed, it is challenging to steal crypto since one needs the public as well as the private key of a user to access the crypto stored in a wallet. Although there have been reports of hackers figuring out users' private key and hacking into their wallets, the process is extremely difficult and making crypto much more secure than the currencies. Now, last topic of the video is how are cryptocurrencies assigned value? The answer to this question is simple. Cryptocurrencies have value because people become them to have value. Just like other currencies, Crypto does not have inherent or intrinsic value. For instance, take the example of fiat currencies. Suppose the government for the central authority of any country declares that a certain currency no longer holds any value. In that case, people will stop using that currency and it will immediately lose all value. The same in this case with cryptocurrencies. The user themselves decide the value of crypto coin by believing that they can be used as a currency and store value. Thus, the value of almost all the crypto coin is decided by the forces of demand and supply. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and goodbye.